Welcome to Focus English with Cece. Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. If today you're looking for a peaceful space to learn English, something slow, gentle, without pressure, then you've come to the right place. I'm Cece, and this is our little English corner where we learn through stories, quiet reflections, and little pieces of real life. Today, I want to tell you a story. A true story about myself. About something small, but deeply meaningful. A vacation. Do you have any vacation plans? If not, maybe after this video, you'll be inspired to pick up a pen, open your calendar, and mark a few days just for you. Are you ready? Let's begin. Lately, I've been working a lot. Early mornings, long days, back-to-back tasks and deadlines. Life has been like a conveyor belt, moving forward but without pause. And one afternoon, as I stared out the window with a lukewarm cup of tea in hand, I realized I couldn't feel myself anymore in all that busyness. So I made a decision. I would rest. Not forever. Not for long, just a short break. A space, a vacation, maybe just 3 or 4 days. But days where I could breathe again, slow down, and remember who I am. I haven't chosen the exact dates yet. But just seeing the word vacation penciled on my calendar makes me smile. It feels like a quiet promise to myself. Soon you'll have time. Time to be just you. I plan to travel alone. Not because I'm lonely, but because I need space. Space to move without explaining. To pause whenever something catches my eye. To not rush. To not perform. To simply be. I imagine a peaceful countryside, a place with trees swaying gently, birds singing, and a breeze that whispers across my skin. No cars, no noise, just nature and me. In the mornings, I'll wake up early, not for work, but for slow, mindful walks. Walks without destinations, just steps to feel the ground beneath my feet. Maybe I'll sit under a tree and read an English book, or simply look up and watch the clouds drift. Each cloud tells a story, and I won't rush to understand them all. I'll let them float, just like my thoughts. Have you ever tried journaling while you travel? I'll bring a notebook. I won't worry about perfect grammar. I'll just write how I feel. Something like, "This morning the air smelled like grass and quiet." Or, "The wind today felt soft, like a whisper." Simple sentences, but full of life. That's the kind of English I love, words that carry emotion, not just correctness. Here's something interesting. Even just imagining your vacation, even silently, is already a form of learning English. Why? Because your mind is thinking in English. Your heart is dreaming in English. And the language becomes a bridge to something deeper. That's the kind of English that stays with you, not just in your head, but in your heart. I'll also try some local food. A hot bowl of soup. Something simple, maybe grilled. And perhaps something sweet with coconut, because I really love the taste of coconut. I'll learn how to say thank you or delicious in the local language. Just one word is enough to make someone smile. And when they smile, I'll smile too. At night, I'll look up at the sky. Not through a window, no. I'll really look, clearly, quietly, for a long, long time. Do you remember the last time you looked at the stars? For me, it's been so long. But this time, I'll lie down in the grass and let the stars fall into my eyes. I'll listen to the crickets, to the wind. Nothing more. But nothing more is needed. I believe a vacation doesn't have to be luxurious. It doesn't have to be somewhere famous. It just needs to be right for you. Quiet enough so you can hear your own heart. And when I return, I won't just bring back some photos or little souvenirs. I'll bring back silence, connection, and maybe a little bit of gentle English I picked up during those pressure-free days. Now, it's grammar moment. I'll use the future simple tense, not because I have to, but because I want to dream out loud. I will go to the countryside. There will be quiet mornings. It will be peaceful. It's easy grammar. Just will plus base verb. But when you connect it with real feelings and personal hopes, it becomes something you'll never forget. I don't know where you are right now. Maybe New York, Tokyo, Korea, or a small village somewhere. But I believe you too have a quiet space within. And when you're ready, let English walk gently beside you through that space. My vacation plans are simple, but they offer me what I need most. Time to breathe, room to feel, and words to capture that experience in a language I love. What about you? Where will you go on your next break? What will you write in your journal? How will you use English, not because you have to, but because you want to remember something beautiful? Thank you for listening to the story today. I hope you enjoyed the story and practiced some real-life English. I've created a free PDF with new words and sentence patterns from today's story, along with easy examples. It will help you learn more easily and more quickly. Also, just click the link in the description to download your free PDF gift. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe for more gentle stories. Keep learning, keep smiling. See you next time, my friend.